This is the first tutorial for the Hedgehog Lab. So Hedgehog Lab is a scientific computing environment that's totally in your browser. So you don't need to install anything, you don't need to do any configurations. Just open your browser and type hedgehoglab.github.io and you can enjoy all the features for this computing environment. So basically you can do all kinds of computing in JavaScript with great features and great syntax. So let's start with a very simple example. You can use print function to print any string or matrix or many LaTeX symbols to the result on the right. So let's click compile and run and you will see hello world on the right. Then you can define matrix in this way. For example, you know that if you want to define a variable in JavaScript, you can use let or var or const or whatever you want, but let's just simply define a variable a equals to new met is using a constructor of matrix class met, and the parameter you don't have to pass the value of the matrix, but you can pass a value or a vector or a 2D array of number as the for the constructor. For example, you want to pass 1, 2, 3, 4 as the matrix, and you let's print a after that, and you will see that the matrix is printed on the right. Another good thing is you can do all kinds of matrix operations such as a plus b, or let's define matrix b equals to a plus 1 and let's print b and see what it is. You will see that matrix b is a minus plus 1 for every element, and you can also define c equals to a multiplied by b, and you can print matrix c on the right, and you will see that this is the matrix c. Also you can print transpose of matrix a, and you will see that a is transposed in this way. Also, for example, you want to have a expression of a plus b plus c minus a plus b multiplied by 2, and you will see the results on the right. So basically it's a very great, so matrix class is the core object in Hedgehog Lab, that it supports all kinds of operator overload for matrix and vector and probably tensor in the future. And you can use print function to print all of them on the right. Also you can enjoy all the good syntax for JavaScript, including ECMAScript 6 and probably stage 0, stage 1, stage 2, or the preview features supported by Babel, because your script on the left will be compiled by Babel using the plugins and operator overload plugins and all kinds of presets of syntax, and execute in your browser and show it on your right. So you can enjoy all kinds of good syntax in JavaScript, such as a for loop. If you want to access to the value, for example, get or set the value of the matrix, you need to use the member variable val, and it's the 2D array of number that store all the values of the matrix equals to I multiplied by I, and let's see the result here. You see that this element and this element are changed by this statement. So yeah, you can also compare the matrix using for example, if you want to use the operator to compare matrix with A plus 1, and if it let's print yes here. If A doesn't equal to A plus 1, then print no. You will see that it will print no on the right, and if you remove the plus 1 on the right operand, and it will print, oh yeah, it will print yes here. So basically it's JavaScript, so you can use all kinds of JavaScript syntax here, or you can define a function here, like function a by and you can call the function into the print here. You'll see that matrix A multiplied by matrix A is the value that print on the right. So it's there are still a lot of great features and usage and API. So I will introduce later. So this is the first lesson.